Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Roddy. Today we are going to be upgrading the rear end of this booty. I just farted. But anyways, we're gonna be upgrading the rear end of my TC, the bumper, of course. Come on, what do you think I was talking about? It's nice and think of it being like round right now, but we're gonna bring it to the gym and we're gonna make it do a little bit of a workout overnight and fatten it up a little bit. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and replace the tail lights and the rear bumper. And if you watch the last video, which I told you not to go anywhere because it's coming right away, from when I was replacing the radio inside, I had a little bit of a little stuff on my shirt and I was like, let's replace the shirt. New video anyway. So this is the same day, but we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of an upgrade. So all this stuff came from a salvage yard that I went to. I like the updated look, but I like the older car. And if I wanted the newer car, I would have paid some more money. And what about doing a little twist of both? You know what I mean? So in the front end, it's gonna have the 2011, 2013, but from the back end, we're gonna have, or should I say, shoot for the 2014 to 2016. You're gonna come up behind me, you're gonna be like, oh, it's a 2016 Scion TC, but come to the front of it, we have a 2012. So that's what we're aiming for. Just like one of those brainstorm confusion things that kind of happen sometimes. And yeah, being a part of this car culture, we like to mix and match stuff, so that's what's going to be happening here. I believe that these taillights are the TRDs taillights along with the TRD rear bumper, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace those, install these to update it. This one has a little bit of crack on it. I tried to even it out a little bit, but none of this is gonna be mattered because I am gonna actually go ahead and wrap it, so not worrying. I was actually thinking too, if you remember back in my other video when I did my Scion, my Celica GTS, I cut out the back of it and put some vents, so this way there's no air pocket like a parachute back here. I might end up going ahead and do the same thing, but I'm not sure how to do that, because if I do that, then you lose all of this. So I might just end up either cutting it down and across and put a grill on the back side of it. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I want to cut this out because that's a lot of gas mileage and drag behind this bumper, which we don't want to do that at all. I have that because, to be honest, it was a big difference between, I think I gained like 5 miles more to the gallon when I did that to my GTS. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna implement it yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get into replacing this and fatten her up. First things first, we gotta pop the covers off the backside here, and we're going to disconnect your taillights. Boom, boom. There are 3 10 bolts on the back of it that's holding it. Okay, I decided to test fit the taillight and it doesn't fit. Let me show you. Yeah, that's a big gap there, my friend. You know, here fits, all this fits, but when you come down to here, we have this bit of a problem here. We got like a whole, inch gap right there, 3/4 inch gap right there. I don't think it's gonna work, but let's put the bumper on. Let's put the bumper on and see the big of a difference, because if that's the case, then I think we might need one more thing from the car at the salvage yard. Not sure yet. Let's see. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. We're about to go ahead and see if this bumper fits. Not sure, but let's just put it on. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous. Let's go. You guys don't understand how shocked I am. Like, gotta get that dent out. We did it. We freaking did it. You can't tell me that. Like, oh shit. Let me just put this on here a little bit. Let's talk. I didn't know that this was gonna work, to be honest. I seriously did not know. I really didn't know. And for this moment, you have to subscribe. You really have to subscribe because I have other things to do with that S file over there and that S file over there, and this is possible. It is possible. So let me just grab the camera and show you guys around because I am freaking out in my brain right now. So let me just show you what's going on. It fit. The 2014 taillight and a 2014 to 15, 16, I think it is. But those years fit on the 2011 and 12 and 13. The body is the same exact body. A few details in the new older body that is just like, look at that. Look at that. It just lines right up, dude. Like, it's crazy. All right, now for this side, I have a little bit of a dent here that I have to work on getting out. You can see it right there. I gotta get that dent out. But other from that, dude, that is crazy. Everything lines up. Everything lines up, even to the inside pieces lined up. Well, I'm not even stressing about that right now because that is not important. But let's see if the trunk closes. I am excited. That is crazy. And that's it. I am just going to, that's press recording. I did press recording. I am just going to end this video here. Is it possible to be done? Yes, it is possible to be done. You know what? Let's... Got to, man. Now, what do we say? I need a catchphrase. I really need a catchphrase. Leave me a catchphrase in the bottom. I am with it. I'll use that catchphrase for the rest of the video. And guess what? I don't have much subscribers, so guess what? Your catchphrase will be used by me in all the videos coming along with this car. Let me put the camera down because I'm really like, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest. I didn't scratch $4,000 yet. No, I did not. And to know that I would be having a, what is this? Second gen Scion TC for a fraction of the price of some of you guys paid for it. I can't even say it's a 2012 anymore. It's a second gen. I think it is second gen. I'll just correct myself later on. All right, let's see if it all works because I'm not sure if it all works. So I just connect everything together and let's see if it works. So you're gonna be my inspector right now. You're gonna basically tell me if my lights work and whatnot. So let's go. Brakes. Let me see how we do. Isn't that crazy? I am just lost for words. And there's a few things I have to get for this. and it's just so fat at this moment. It's just really fat. But anyways, this is what I'm talking about. The two brackets that's inside the bumper, as much as I don't need them, I am still gonna have to get them because when this bumper flexes, it's gonna need to support underneath the taillights, and I don't want it to buckle down, even though it's not going to. I still gotta get that done. And other than that, it's pretty much good. The car is set. Still working on the front end, and once the front end is complete, which I already did the recording already, I just gotta do the editing, and once the editing is done, then I'll go ahead and post it. I'm just gonna keep it original. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. So I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And can you upgrade your end on the Scion TC? Yes, you can. I'm technically paying less than $5 for this car. Stay tuned, and see you in the next one. I'll have the update and pricing in the next video of how much everything, all the total have come to. And peace. Love you guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you soon. Peace. This rear bumper here is nice and round. See that? See all that muscle? You see all that curvature? That's what men like. Don't you recognize that when men buy a car, the first thing they look at is the booty? Anyways, front appearances too. Gotta have that.